Okay, hi and welcome to another Ben Golding Guitar Masterclass. Okay, today we're going to have a look at a bit of classic Bob Marley. Had a load of requests for this one after the No Woman No Cry video. A lot of people asking for One Love by Bob Marley. So straightforward, quite an easy song, shouldn't give you too many problems. And we're going to go straight in with this one, a nice acoustic guitar version of a classic tune. Okay, and like I always say in my videos, if you do already know your basic chords, you might want to skip it forward. You will see a running order come up on the screen, and if you want to move it forward to playing the song, you don't need to learn the chords, then feel free to skip forward and just try jamming along the song with me. The chords will be up on the screen. But if you do need to learn the chords, G, D, E minor and C, that's all we need for this one, then hang around and we'll start them in just a second. Okay, the other thing I will say about this one, we're going to play a nice, easy, simple version without a capo. And if you wanted to play the exact Bob Marley version, the same key as the classic Bob Marley tune, you'd need to play what we're going to learn, but with a capo on the 3rd fret. That's a capo on the 3rd fret. But we're going to play a nice, straightforward, open version without a capo. Okay, so without further ado, let's have a quick look at those chords now. So first of all, we want to hold down, for the G major, you want to hold down the 6th string on the 3rd fret, right up at the top there, 6th string, 3rd fret. Next up, we want to hold down the 5th string on the 2nd fret. And then after that, you want to hold down the 1st string in the 3rd fret. That's right down at the bottom there. Okay, and there is your G major. Okay, next up, let's have a look at the D. For this one, you want to hold down the 3rd string in the 2nd fret. Then you want to hold down the 1st string in the 2nd fret. And then you want to hold down the 2nd string in the 3rd fret. Okay, there. And for this one, for the D, you're trying to miss the E and the A strings, the 2 bass strings up at the top, and just hit the 4 lower strings underneath that for the D major. Okay, next up, let's have a look at the E minor. For the E minor, nice and easy, all you want to do is hold down the 5th string in the 2nd fret, and then hold down the 4th string in the 2nd fret right underneath that. Okay, and for the E minor, you're hitting all the strings again, just like the G. Okay, next up and last of all, we want to try a C major. For this one, you hold down the 2nd string in the 1st fret. Okay, next up we hold down the 4th string in the 2nd fret, and next up we hold down the 5th string in the 3rd fret. Okay, and there is your C major. Okay, and for the C major, you're trying not to hit the bass E string up at the top there. It's just the 5 lower strings. Okay, so there's your G, your D, your E minor, and your C. Okay, and so like I always say, if you are just starting out and they're a little bit awkward, just try slowing them down, practice those chords, try and get it so you can change fairly easy when you're going from one to the other. Okay, let's go straight on then and have a crack at trying the actual Bob Marley classic One Love. Okay, what we'll do is if we start off with the chorus section, okay, which is just going to use G, D and C for this section of the song. So this one, and you'll have to excuse the singing, but this is the bit. I'll hum the tune for you just so you can see what I'm talking about now. So you've got the G, one heart, let's get together and feel alright. One love, one heart, let's get together and feel alright. Okay, so for this one, if we do have a try also, if you're really struggling with strumming patterns and everything, you could just try simple 4 little downstrokes, easy, nice, simple downstrokes for each chord and stuff. I'll go through the number of strums, but if we maybe try, if you are kind of getting to grips with a few strumming patterns, quite a nice easy one. Down, 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 up, down, up, 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 and so on. Down, 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 up, down, up, down. It's quite a nice little one to practice there. Okay, so if we just go straight on, obviously with all these videos I do, the chords will come up on the screen. So if you want to just try that now, let's just have a little look at this simple chorus section. So we have got G, G, change change to the D, 2, 3, and then a C, and then a G, and then a D, and back to G, and G. One love to the D, one love, and then a C, and a G, and a D, back to G. Let's see. One love, D, one heart, give thanks and praise to the G, and then a D, and back to G. Just one more time. One love, D, one heart, and then C, and a G, and a D, and back to G. Okay, excellent. Right, so that is your chorus section of the song, essentially. Okay, let's have a little look at the verse now. For this one, we're going to need G, E minor, C, and back to G. Okay, and again, excuse the singing. Let me just hum the tune and you'll see what I mean for this verse section. So you got the dirty remind G. There is one question I'd really love to ask. Again, got G, da da da, E minor, and then C, back to G, and then G, la la, E minor, and C, and back to G. Okay, so let's just try that again. Obviously, like I said, the chords will be up on the screen, and let me just try humming the tune in the background again, just a few more times, then we'll try putting the chorus with the verse. Okay, so another verse section again. So G, E minor, C, and back to G. Okay, and E minor, C, and back to G, and then a G, E minor, and C, and back to G, and then let the love pass all those dirty remarks. There is one question I'd really love to ask, and G, is there a place, and then C, and back to G, hurt on mankind just to save his own belief now, and then into the chorus there. Okay, so that is pretty much the whole song. What I want to do is now we'll just try, if you try it with me, the chords are on the screen, let's try going from the chorus at the beginning into a verse and then back to the chorus again. Okay, so chorus first, we've got the G, and one love, one heart, let's get together and feel alright. Again, G, one love, D, one heart, let's get together and feel alright. Let's try verse, and G, la la la, E minor, and C, back to G, G, la la, E minor, and C, and back to G. Save his own belief. Now chorus. One love, D, one heart, C, and a G, and then a D, and back to G. Chorus again. And one love, D, one heart, C, and a G, and then a D, and back to G. Let's try verse again. And G, la la, E minor, and C, la 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 la. Again, da 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 da, la 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 la. G again, da da, E minor, and C, la 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 la. G, da 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 da. I'd really love to ask. Chorus and G, one love, one heart, let's get together and feel alright. Again, one love, one heart, give thanks and praise to the Lord, and I will feel alright. Okay, and that is pretty much it, but what you will find is that it repeats the last bit of the chorus towards the end of the song. So you can, if I just play it how it goes on the song, you just repeat the C and the G and the D, the C and the G and the D a couple of times. So the last few times round you'd have, let's get together and C. Let's get together and B and back to G one more time. Give thanks and praise to the G, and I will be and back to G. Okay, so it should be a really straightforward one. Classic tune. Love a bit of Bob Marley, a little bit of summer reggae there. And don't forget, if you are playing along with the Bob Marley version, the actual version, that would be a capo on the 3rd fret, but you play exactly what we've learned. Capo on the 3rd fret, that would be the same key as the Bob Marley one. Give it a try. It sounds great if you're starting out as a singer, songwriter, guitar player. It's a great one to get under your belt, that one. All the best, and I'll see you soon for more great guitar songs with Ben Golding Guitar. Cheers and see you soon.